Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to change the theme of your WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Here you can see the chats option. Choose the choose the chats option. Here you can see the display option and theme option. Tap on the theme option. Here you can see the system default and light and dark. By switching these options, you can change the theme in your WhatsApp. Tap on the light option and tap on OK. Now the theme is changed into light mode and you can make custom default mode. Tap on the system default. By switching these modes, you can change the theme in your WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.